Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of OnePlus Nord LCD to Lite 5G, specifically focusing on a common issue that many users might face: a broken LCD replacement. First things first, let's talk about the Nord LCD to Lite 5G. This sleek and powerful device is packed with impressive features, making it a popular choice for many. But, like any electronic device, it's not immune to issues. One of the most common problems users might face is a broken LCD screen. Now, if you're one of those unlucky souls who's experienced a broken LCD on your Nord LCD to Lite 5G, don't panic. It's important to note that a broken LCD doesn't necessarily mean your device is irreparable. In fact, many users have successfully replaced their broken LCD screens and are now enjoying their devices once again. Before we dive into the repair process, let's quickly talk about why this device is such a favorite. The OnePlus Nord LCD to Lite 5G is a sleek, high-performance smartphone equipped with an impressive 6.59-inch LCD display that offers vibrant visuals for your apps, games, and videos. But as durable as it is, no phone is indestructible, and the screen is often the first to go after a bad drop. A broken screen might seem like a disaster, but it's far from the end of the road for your phone. With the right tools, a little patience, and some technical know-how, you can replace the broken LCD screen yourself or seek professional help. So, how do you go about replacing a broken LCD on your Nord LCD to Lite 5G? Well, the process is actually quite straightforward. All you need is a replacement LCD screen and a few tools to get the job done. First things first, you'll need to remove the back cover of your device. Once you've done that, you'll see the LCD screen and the touch panel. Gently pry these components away from the device, taking care not to damage them. Next, you'll need to remove the battery and the rear camera. Once you've done that, you'll have access to the LCD screen. Carefully remove the old LCD screen and replace it with the new one. And voila! You've successfully replaced your broken LCD screen on your Nord LCD to Lite 5G. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, there are plenty of professional repair services out there that can help you out. Just make sure to choose a reputable service to ensure your device is in good hands. In conclusion, a broken LCD screen on your OnePlus Nord LCD to Lite 5G doesn't have to be the end of the world. You can replace that broken screen and get back to enjoying your device. Thank you for tuning into this tech-savvy tip. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. Until next time, this is CP Tech Guru signing off.